Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Drip login problems, account and workflow errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Drip, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. If your connection is good, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve any temporary issues affecting your login. Restart your browser after clearing the cache. Next, make sure you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Check your email for a reset link and follow the instructions provided. If you are using a password manager, verify that it is filling in the correct credentials. Consider trying a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. Ensure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions may cause compatibility issues. If you still cannot log in, check for any known outages on Drip's status page. Reach out to Drip's support team for further assistance if the problem continues. Provide them with details about your issue, including error messages and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Keep track of your login attempts, as this information can be helpful for the support team. Follow their guidance and be prepared to provide additional information if needed. Once the issue is resolved, remember to enable two-factor authentication for added account security. This will help prevent similar login problems in the future. Always keep your login credentials secure and update them regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.